Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I want to share with you kind of like an updated version to my bacon egg cups. I bake them in muffin pans. I keep them on hand in my freezer all the time, but today I want to show you kind of like a I don't want to say advanced version because it's really not advanced, but a really souped up version from the original. It's really easy. It's delicious. I can't even tell you. My mouth is salivating just thinking about it. So I want to share it with you. It's an easy breakfast. I know right now is a tough time, so anything I can help you with, I am here to help. If you want to see how it comes together, just keep on watching. So the first thing we're going to work on before we get started on anything is our bacon. And what we want to do is we want to put this and kind of pre-cook it slightly pre-cook it, not all the way, prior to putting it into our muffin tins. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay out my bacon on these sheets. And I'm going to put this in the oven for about, I don't know, 3 to 4 minutes. Maybe 5 minutes depending. My oven is preheated at 400 just to get them to stiffen up a little bit so they'll be easier to work with. While I'm prepping my bacon in the oven, I'm going to start working on my egg mixture, which is going to be like the muffin mixture of this. You're going to need a generous pinching of salt. And here I have about 10 eggs. If I had more, I would have done 12, but I ran out of eggs, so 10 is what I have. And you're just going to whisk this up with some salt and pepper. And the beauty about this dish is that you can use whatever you have. I have some leftover veggies from my quesadillas last night, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to add in some cheese that I have, just different varieties that are just kind of mix matched. I'm going to add it to this because it'll taste perfect. Okay, my mixture is pretty smooth, so I'm going to add in my cheese and my leftover veggies. I'm just going to mix this in and wait for my bacon to be ready. I can smell the bacon, you guys, and it's heavenly. So for this next part, what you're going to need is my bacon is cooked, and you'll see, I want to show you, it's not even remotely close to being done, but it's now just a little bit more pliable, if that makes sense, to kind of shape into your little muffin tin. You're also going to need some tater tots. You can use just shredded potatoes, whatever works for you. I really do love using tater tots. I'm going to try to do this without getting a 3rd-degree burn. All right, take 2 on this. You couldn't see the first muffin. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your bacon. Be careful, it's really hot, very hot. You're going to place it into your muffin tin, kind of lining, see, like this, so it lines the muffin tin, right? Then you're going to take your tater tots and you're just going to build a little kind of wall on the bottom, or kind of layer on the bottom. I don't know what you would call it, but you're just going to layer them on the bottom like so. See how I have it right here? And you're going to do that to all of your muffins, and then we're going to finish it off with our egg mixture. Look at the beauty of this. It looks beautiful. Final step is you're going to take your egg mixture and you are just going to scoop it into here. I have about half a cup here or so, but I probably, oh, actually this is 1/3, but I probably could have done like 1/4, to be honest with you. All right, these are nice and full. I'm going to pop these into my preheated oven, which we preheated at 400 degrees, about 20 to 25 minutes, or until they're fully cooked through, and then I'm going to enjoy them with some toast and some avocado. I hope you guys love this recipe. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.